Hi. In this video I would like to give you some basic information about creating procedural textures using Tartan shader. In this section you will learn what to pay attention to when defining tartan patterns. In the following videos I will show you how to create textures manually or automatically using the generator available online. You will see how to render seamless textures, and how to generate completely random tartan patterns. So let's get started. What you see now is a short demonstration of shader capabilities, but before you start to create your own, you should learn basic information about it. Okay, so let's try to analyze this example for the purpose of its direct reproduce in Blender as procedural texture. This file comes from Wikipedia. Only a horizontal reflection has been made, because the creation of the tartan pattern is more conveniently done from left to right. A link to the graphic is included in the description. We first define the individual colors, which form a regular pattern running from the top left to the bottom right corner. The upper left corner is our first color and the lower right last. Since the patterns from the photos are best reproduced by manual method, we will still need the width, or more precisely the number of threads forming the upper left square. In this case it is 6 threads. This basic information will allow you to reproduce this tartan pattern, which you will see in the next video.